So hey MilleyRocks, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today we have a makeup tutorial for you guys, okay? I'm gonna do a pregnancy glow up vid, okay? 'Cause I've been looking pretty busted on all of these vlogs. I'm like, let me get myself together. Let me remind myself how I can look, because I've been looking real crusty and dusty, okay? So today I'm gonna bring you guys in a little closer and I'm gonna show you how to get this look from start to finish. You don't have to use these same products, but you know, similar products to get this look achieved. I'm also going to get into some of the pregnancy questions that I've been getting asked a lot. I just want to get them out the way so y'all can know what's been going on with me. And if you have any questions or other comments, leave them down below. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get started. I brought you in just a little bit closer and I am going to get started on my eyeshadow. I've already done my brows as always, just because that takes the longest. So I did those off camera and I used the same stuff, y'all, the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Java. So today I'm going to be using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the colors that I'm going to be using today. Don't really know what look I'm going for, but I'm going to start off by priming my lid. All right. Ooh, that's a lot. I don't need that much. I ain't even got that much lid space. So yeah, I wanted to come to y'all and just answer some questions that I've been getting a lot from just different people about my pregnancy. I know I've been talking about that a lot on my channel, which is like different content, but that's the only thing that's going on in my life right now. So yeah, so if you've been watching any of my videos, you would know that my appetite hasn't really changed, which means before pregnancy I would eat probably like once a day, and although I try to eat in the morning, like I try to do cereal and milk in the morning, it's still harder for me to adjust and understand that I'm eating for two. That's the hardest thing. So I'm gonna go in here with this eccentric, it's like orangey color, neutral orangey color. It's like sometimes I want to eat and sometimes I don't. And I know I'm supposed to eat like smaller meals a day, like 6 times a day, but and then before I was sick a lot. I was sick a few weeks ago. I was sick probably for the last 3 months. I've been sick. So my entire duration of my pregnancy, I have been sick. Nausea, morning sickness. It's been crazy. So I haven't been wanting to eat, even though I know I should. So I don't know. I'm trying to do better. Xavier actually just called me, stalking me, making sure that I ate, which I'm not trying to harm my baby, or I'm not gonna harm my baby. I'm gonna eat, but I guess he's worried about the amount of food that I'm eating, because I don't know, like, for people who know me know that I eat a lot of junk food and a lot of like fast food, but I don't really gain weight, and that's because my portion size is so small. I don't really, if I get a burger, I may eat like half of the burger or 3/4 of the burger. I've never finished a burger, and so that's how I'm able to maintain my weight, which I don't be hungry either. It's not like I'm just like, oh, I'm just only gonna have half. No, I get full and that's all I want. And so because I am preggers, I can't be living like that. I gotta try to eat as much as I can, but it's hard trying to adjust. Even though, you know, when I go to my doctor's appointments, they're saying that I'm perfectly healthy, I'm fine, I know coming up in January we'll be able to get another ultrasound to see if the baby is the size that he or she is supposed to be and that they're growing the rate that they should. So I mean, I haven't gained any weight since this pregnancy, and that is, I think that's pretty normal. My doctor said it's normal, so I'm not really worried. But I know that Xavier sees my eating habits and maybe he's worried. But y'all, I'ma eat. Another question that we've been getting is what sex do we want for the baby to be? Now originally I was saying I don't care, you know, as long as the baby's healthy. But then Xavier was putting in the atmosphere that we were having a girl, and I kind of got like used. I don't know. I kind of got like used to that. I'm like, yeah, I want a girl too now. So I'm gonna go in with the color Dreamer, and I'm just gonna go into my inner tear ducts. Yeah. Oh, hold on. I was getting a little draggy. I'm gonna go in there. I am gonna blend this out, but I just wanted to go in the corner, kind of brighten it up just a little bit, just because it was looking kind of monochromatic. So, that's my eyes. That's it. I don't need all that, y'all. That's all I'm doing for my eyes. Now I'm gonna do my liner. So that's one eye. And I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So now I have both my wings on. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas, Pure Canvas primer. And this is like a hydrating primer. I have dry skin, so I need some hydration. This just makes everything glide on smooth. It's not like dewy. It just makes it like going really, really smooth. I'm gonna use one of my favorite foundations. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 490 W. Shake that up. Ooh, ooh. And this shade is probably just a smidge too dark, just because, you know, my tan is gone a little more pale than usual, but I like my foundation slightly darker, because when you start adding highlighters and powders, you start getting a little bit light. So I like my foundations to be nice and even when I'm done. That is good. So now I want to go ahead and lay my concealers. I am gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is my all-time favorite concealer in the shade Cool Sand 155. This concealer is bae. This is a brand new one too, so gotta crack it open. Another question we've been getting is how many kids we want. Xavier really did want twins, but I don't know how you can just wish twins upon yourself. You gotta actually run in the family. So we didn't have twins, so he was saying 3, but y'all, it's gonna be 2. I'm doing 2. We gonna get 2. So and the only reason why I would do 2 instead of just 1 is because I really do think only childs are weird. I think that, you know, when it's just one child, I do feel like they be lonely, they be weird, they don't know how to communicate. Some of them have issues communicating, you know, you you need a companion. You need somebody to talk to. You need somebody to relate to. So we're gonna go with 2, and we're gonna leave it at that, because I feel like the wear and tear that this pregnancy has already put on my body, I don't know if I can do that 3 times. I'm just saying, I don't think I can do it 3 times. All right, so I have my sponge. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more, because it's not as full as I wanted. Just like a little dab. A little dab. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything around the concealer. You don't want any like harsh lines. Also, like, a lot of people were curious to how our pregnancy happened so fast after we got married, but I don't know, Jesus. Literally, my conception day was between September 16th and September 20th. We actually got married on the 5th. So it was after the wedding. And after I stopped taking birth control, so this baby was planned. We actually were trying to have a baby. We just didn't think that it would happen so fast. Go on my Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And I am going to pin the video of the reaction of our parent. They were actually really excited. Xavier's mom and dad does not have any grandkids. My mom this will be her 6th grandkid, but she was still happy. So I'll show you guys the reaction video from our friends and our family. I'm going to add a little Dermablend translucent powder, and this makes your makeup like no pores. No pores. This powder is amazing. I'm just going to get rid of this powder. I don't really bake unless I'm going like out, and I ain't really going nowhere. Let me contour and add some shadows to my face. This is like my favorite makeup technique. I love contouring. Got my little wig showing, but it's okay. I'm just trying to hurry up so this don't be forever. And it's so crazy because our friends are like all pregnant right now. We have about 4 friends that are pregnant. Like, it's insane. Like, 4 of our friends are also having babies right now. So I guess, you know, quarantine, just, there ain't nothing else to do, you know. No, but we are all we're all older, or getting older. We're at that age, 28, 29, where it's about time, you know. You know, if you're in that position, it's time to start having the babies. And I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones. I am gonna go in with some bronzer, another one of my favorite parts, and everywhere that you put that cream contour is where you want to put that bronzer. And I'll be going crazy with this, y'all. Just like that. Yes. And now I'm gonna pop my lashes on. I already put the glue on them. Looking down and letting the glue dry is the best tip that somebody can give you. There go my lashes. And the glue just needs to dry. Blend them in. I'm putting this only on my lashes, not the actual falsies. Woo, 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 woo. Am I looking good, y'all? Oh my God. It's been so long since I had makeup on. I'm like, yes, bring it. Bring it. Yes. So, oh, I don't have my, I ain't gonna even do blush today. So I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite highlighter. I'm gonna go into all of the colors, Yeah. Blend it. Blend it. And yeah, y'all, that is the face. Morphe. Woo! Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oldie but goodie. Yes. Am I looking good? I think so. So I'm just gonna do some mascara on the bottom lashes. Y'all can see. And then I'm gonna do my lip. A dab of some lipstick, just a dab. Okay. And this is my face. So yeah, y'all, I am done. I am gonna spray with my lash setting spray. This is Airbrush Flawless Finish by Charlotte Tilbury. And that's gonna seal everything in. So yeah, y'all, this is my face. I know it's been a long time since I did a makeup tutorial, but I am sitting pretty. So I look good. So this concludes this video, y'all. I'm done. Vlogmas day number 20. I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, thumb this video up, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, get into the skin, okay? Get into it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.